You know how people say it doesn't matter what you look like, it's what's inside that counts? Well, now that's nonsense. Both matter. This is because YouTube has started to roll out video previews on mobile phones. But what's a video preview? Well, when you run your mouse over a thumbnail on YouTube, it starts to show you a few shots from inside the video. This means you can take a look behind closed doors. It's been doing this a while on desktops. Now it's getting rolled out on mobile phones. But so what, right? What's the panic? Well, 70% of views on YouTube come from mobile devices, which means there's going to be way more judgment of your insides. The fact that it's only been on desktop so far is probably the reason there isn't more content out there about how to overcome the potential problems this is going to cause creators. So what is the problem? Well, in the good old days, the idea was to build an eye-catching thumbnail image to make people hit play. Now you're going to have to build this and then work on your set, studio, and production quality so that it looks great when it previews. So obviously people want to click it. The thumbnail will still show, just not for long, and then you're going to have to visually convince people to click on your video. Luckily for you though, you're watching this video early, so you can start learning how to make better looking videos now by the time it arrives. And if you hit subscribe, you'll join our tribe and get fed 3 videos a week teaching you just that. So, are thumbnails dying out? No, 100% not. But is there a new kid in town who could ruin the impact of a beautiful thumbnail? Well, yes, there is. So, how do you make sure this doesn't hurt you? Firstly, think about your set. Are you filming in a dark room with not much going on? Or have you used lights that make you pop from the background? There's nothing wrong with dark and moody, but have a look in the edit. When you zoom out, how is it going to look thumbnail size? What viewers will be looking for is content that looks like it's of a higher quality than others. Because better looking video means higher quality content, right? Wrong. But us humans love to judge on appearance. We literally can't help it. Graphics is worth thinking about next. Okay, so they might not happen to show it in the preview, but a giant splash of colour here and there is good for keeping people's attention. And if this happens on a mobile preview, then you might just do enough to pull people in. So the thumbnail isn't dying, it's just teaming up with another powerful new friend to allow you to get ahead of the pack by upping your production quality, maybe a little faster than you planned at the start of your YouTube project. If you'd like to learn a little bit more about making your own studio, then watch this video here. And if you want to stay ahead of the game and get insights that will help you grow your channel 3 times a week, then hit the subscribe button and the bell to make sure you don't miss them, because YouTube's changing fast, and the sooner you know about what it's getting up to, well, the better.